Hi everybody, Jeff here. Today we're going to look at the TRD Off-Road package on Toyota Tundra. Specifically, this is 2023 Tundra Limited in blueprint. And I got your TRD Off-Road right here. As we walk around this Tundra, you're going to see features that are stock, but you're also going to see things that have been added as part of this factory TRD Off-Road package, including the mud on these upgraded tires, these upgraded wheels. How about that blueprint color? So this is a limited. I see a panel roof up there. That's cool. Like the chrome trim. Limited is a great trim level if you want the toughness of the iForce Max along with the finer things in Tundra life. And you'll also see on the inside some features that have been upgraded to give you the TRD Off-Road flair. Look at all the room in the back. I see aluminum pedals. That's part of the off-road. There might be some other things too. Let's investigate. You can see a couple of the features from this angle. We're going up under because we got to see the skid plate that's been added. We've also got off-road suspension, and that's going to give you the Bilstein shocks. So we'll look at that there. You want a vehicle, if it's a Tundra, you want it to be tough on the road and extra tough on the trails. TRD Off-Road. Got my hiking shoes, but we've also got a window sticker here sitting in the dirt. Maybe it'll show us more about the TRD Off-Road package. How much does it cost? It's $3,050. Expand that a little bit here. But what about these wheels? And what about these tires? That's right, we're upgrading to these Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires. And these 20-inch TRD wheels here. Is it gray? Is it dust colored? Earth colored like the new GX Overtrail? Nope. Matte black with the red. Do you like it? Let's fade out. Man, I love that profile. I love the blueprint. Got the floor liners in here, right? That was just added as an option. Now what we've got, aluminum pedals. I'd like to see some boards of some type on here. What do you guys think would be good for that? I love the heated steering wheel. It's pretty cool. I like it. I like it. Power mirrors, memory seats, woo! Really nice material here, very soft. I love the technical camo that sits below the first level. Like that. Now what else is part of this TRD Off-Road package? Well, how about over here? There we go. We've got the push button start in red. So on a Tundra, if it's a red, that means it has the TRD upgrade right here. What about the off-road controls? Now, what about if we want to get up this very, very huge hill? It's just gigantic, monstrous. How can Jeff even try this hill? It's so big. Well, we could be regular Tundra mode. It can do it just fine. But we want to just show a couple things. We're in 4 high right now, so we could be switching to 4 low if we wanted to. And then you would kick into 4 low. And now I'm in 4 low. So maybe I want to do multi-terrain select. And what you do is you turn the dial like this so we could be in mud, sand, rock. Guess we'll go with the rock. And then we'll get it into gear here. And we'll take it up the hill so that it's maximizing traction at low speeds up that hill. Cool. What if I wanted to get it up this next super gigantic hill? Well, we could keep it in multi-terrain select, but let's turn it to crawl mode. And then what we have here, crawl 1, crawl 2, mud. We'll just put it in this one right here. And what it does is it takes it. So look, it's going to take me at a regulated rate. I'm focusing on my steering so the vehicle can take it up this hill on its own. Like that. And now what about this one here? It's the smallest hill. Just kidding, this is the biggest one of the 3, but they're not huge. We know that. But what about if I wanted to put it in locking rear differential? That locks both of the wheels right there. on the same axle, so they both do the same amount of work. Work, 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 work. We got this. Up the hill. And over. And then you can see it has the 20-inch TRD alloy wheels with all-terrain tires, the grille, the bedside decal, off-road suspension. We talked about that. Red push-button start. Mudguards. The leather shift knob. Aluminum sport pedals. We saw that. The electronically controlled locking rear differential. That'll certainly help you. Multi-terrain select crawl mode. Downhill assist control. Pretty cool stuff. And look, we've upgraded to the panoramic roof. Leather steering wheel. Heated. All-weather floor liners. Whoop, whoop. Then we got that bed utility package with extender. Very cool stuff. Look at that. Oh, it's also got the JBL upgraded 12-speaker system. So that might be an option for you. And since we're here, we can also look at the window sticker. If you don't want to see the specs, you can skip forward to the next section. It's totally fine. Totally fine with me, but this is standard equipment here, so you can see how much it costs also. 437 horsepower, 583 pound-feet of torque. With that 3.4-liter twin turbocharged V6. Woo! 57,915. This one with all the extra equipment to show off because it's a media car, 65.7. Thanks everybody for watching. What do you think about Tundra? What do you think about the TRD off-road package? Do you think it's a good value and would you use it? Which feature did you like the best? Thanks so much for watching. Peace. And thank you so much for watching. If you want more Tundra content, please click the suggested playlist or the feature video today. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. See you next time.